Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are fit, fine and healthy, and I hope you are safe as well at your places. So, as you have checked in the subject line, that today I'm going to discuss you or give you some information on antioxidant, how it is important in your body, how it works in your body, how it increases in your immunity level, and what are the intake that we can use it as an element in a food to increase the antioxidant in your body. So I hope you stay tuned with me in this video till the end. I wanted to make sure that everyone understands the importance of antioxidant and make this video informative for all of you. I hope you like it. So let's get started. Group of cells creates tissue, group of tissue creates organs, group of organs creates system, and this is how our body structure is. So here I am going to explain you the difference between free radicals and antioxidant so that you can understand that why antioxidants are so important in our day-to-day life. Free radicals, basically these are the unstable atom in our body, and antioxidants helps us to get rid of free radicals. There has to be a balance between both free radicals and antioxidant in our body. Mainly the antioxidants are of two types, one is cellular and the other one is glutathione. And trust me, these are highly rich in vitamin C, B, and it also includes many different property minerals like magnesium. I am trying to demonstrate atoms under free radicals and antioxidant so that you can understand it in more detail. So here we have one atom which is centered with nucleus. And the round circles which I am drawing it, those are to be considered as shell. And in this shells we have electrons which revolves around this nucleus. And this particular electrons are paired. But there could be a chances if we have some damaged cells, that means there could be some unpaired electrons. Now the one that I'm drawing it right now, I'm coloring from inside, and the other one is not colored. So that particular group of electron is considered to be the unpaired electrons. So if there is any free electron revolving in the atom, that means those are considered to be the unpaired electrons, and those are called as free radicals. Now here under the antioxidant we have electrons revolving, but these electrons are not revolving in pair, they are revolving it individually. How this basically works is, the unpaired electrons, what they try to do is, in order to complete its own pair, it will go ahead and try to contact with a different atom and take away their electrons to complete its pair. So if this continuously happens, then slowly we are inviting many diseases in our body and we are damaging our healthy cells. In order to avoid this, antioxidants plays a very important part in this. What antioxidants tries to do is that it will go ahead and give its one electron, like it will go ahead and try to donate its one electron to the unpaired electron so that their pair gets complete. And the balance between free radicals and antioxidants is maintained. See, our body doesn't generate antioxidants automatically. So we are dependent on herbs, plants, trees, because plants, herbs, trees, they generate antioxidants naturally. People who are eating non-veggies, antioxidant you don't get it in that good amount, but there could be a chances that you may get it a little bit, but the quantity of antioxidants in plants and trees are much higher in level. So I hope you might have understood that why antioxidants are so important in our body, so that we can avoid diseases in our body and we make ourselves healthy. We need to also make sure that we do not intake alcohol or smoking, because this damages our cells. Also, ghee, oil are also important to our body, but so that it can nourishes our body, but in the excess level it is again going to be very harmful. However, anything in excess level it is going to be harmful for your body. So try to make sure that whatever intake you do should be in a correct level and in a right way. So by now you might have understood that how important antioxidants are there in our day-to-day life. Apart, some of the antioxidants I have mentioned in my description box. Antioxidants gives you immense capacity by increasing your immunity system. It also gives you a healthy cells, because if your cells are healthy, it gives you a healthier lifestyle and keeps you positive always. Antioxidants also prevents you from chronic diseases, diabetes, cancers, which are most commonly found amongst the people. India is prominently well known for using spices and herbs in the food. We have different states, and depending on the tropical food, spices and herbs are grown. Correct? Apart, a small tip which I would like to share with all of you, and I would also recommend you, is that please make use of alive food. Yes, when I say alive food means using of raw vegetables and seasonal fruits in your day-to-day life. Make sure that 40 to 50% of the food in a day that you intake should be alive food. For more information, I have listed down a link below in my description box. What is the difference between a live food and a dead food? And I hope when you will read that out, you will understand that how it helps, how a live food helps. Because when we roast a vegetable or when we boil vegetables, sometimes it lesser down with its nutrition and it also releases its property. Please check that in the description box. I hope it would be really helpful for you. So I hope this topic would be informative for you, and I'll be coming up with more videos on different topics which gives you on organic food, foodie, and by how to increase your immunity level in the body. If you like this video, please share this video, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.